आप लोग सामने आइए और बात करिए, ठीक है?
सर हम लोग अंदर आने के लिए रेडी है, पर हमारे लीगल एडवाइजर को इधर लाना है, उनको अंदर नहीं लाएंगे, हम अंदर आएंगे।
लीगल एडवाइजर कल आके फिर से बात कर सकते हैं।
6 दिन हमारे साथ हमको इतना हेल्प किया, उसको अंदर
सर पिछले 7 दिनों से दे आर सिटिंग हियर. Today when they were having food, they were just picked up, they were just pushed by male policemen, sir. They were touched by male policemen. So now what you have to say on this, sir? Is this the law? No, sir. Let's speak on this first. What about when
This
they
is
are
not the
touching the
forum to
male?
talk about law. If you want to talk about law, please meet on a different forum.
No, we are not talking about law,
One
sir.
moment. We are sitting here. We have come to meet Chief Minister to talk to him. He is ready to talk to you. I have come here to request some of you to come forward.
Sir, but one thing.
Put your demand.
When their representative was here the whole day, for last 7 days he is here. When they were arrested, when he was taken, why then CM sir had to come, sir? Now they want their representative here, sir. He is an advocate, they want him. Like CM sir is the representative of our state, he is the representative of Anganwadi workers.
I am giving you an alternative. I am suggesting you way forward.
No, there is no
okay?
alternative.
It's up to you to understand it. Come forward and talk.
हम उसको अंदर नहीं लेंगे, उसको इधर लाके छोड़ो, हम लोग अंदर आएंगे बस।
Because we had requested them to take them to Venice, keep them close by, so that we could have resolved it.
I understand, sir. It's middle of the night. Let representatives come forward, talk to Chief Minister, and it's not the one talk. There can be another talk in the morning again with everybody.
He's been arrested.
उसने हमको 6 दिन इतना हेल्प किया हमारे साथ, और अब हम अभी उसको अंदर डाल के हम अंदर हमारा डिमांड लेके नहीं जा सकते।
नहीं मैडम, सुबह वो भी आ जाएंगे। अभी आप लोग यहाँ बैठे
नहीं, वो लोगों को
सर जो कुछ सुबह से यहाँ पे है।
I understand these things.
And I'm saying, okay, what we can do is them just, you can ask them, just release them from there, because they were just
That will
helping
also
them.
happen.
They did not do any.
You take my words. That will also happen.
They were supplying,
That happen first,
food
sir.
to them.
My words. That
Let
will
that happen
My
first.
words. That will also happen. Do that first.
Do that first, sir. Do that first, sir.
The ladies were collapsing because they were hungry.
And the
And
ladies
we
were
did a
touched by
humanitarian step
policemen,
of bringing
sir.
food.
I am here
The food can be.
I am here to request some of the representatives to come forward and talk to Chief Minister.
The food is all spilt over there because they were roughed up and just.
उसका जो ये है ना, यूनियन लीडर है ना, वो एडवोकेट है, उसको अरेस्ट किया है ना, वो पेड़ने में भेजा है उसको।
सर नहीं, और उसको अरेस्ट करने के बाद सीएम सर आए सर बात करने। सुबह से थे ना सर, एक बार आ सकते थे, एक बार बात कर सकते थे सर। ही इज एन एडवोकेट बाय प्रोफेशन। आफ्टर टेकिंग हिम, व्हाट इज द डिस्कशन अबाउट सर?
I am only asking representatives to come forward.
So representative is in the jail.
You get him released and bring him here, and then they'll
They are
come.
not talk himself.
Are you
Let's
Anganwadi
discuss
worker?
then.
I am with the Congress.
Please step aside.
Don't tell me what to do. I have come to tell you a particular thing.
Please step aside. I am not talking to you. Please step aside.
You learn to talk. I'm come to talk on behalf of the
Step
Congress.
aside. You are standing with your senior leaders. Please learn basic decency.
मसोरा वेट वेट
You don't have to teach me decency.
शिट वेट रे सर असताना कशा उलयता
हमारा लीगल एडवाइजर इधर चाहिए बात उसको हम अंदर नहीं लेके आएंगे फिर भी बोलती हूँ इनको हम इधर छोड़ के बाद में हम आके बोल सकते हैं सर खाली इतना और कुछ नहीं
हमको चाहिए 6 दिन से वो हमारे साथ है आज हम लोगों के हम लोगों की वजह से उन पे लाठीचार्ज
चालू आहे दिगंबर आप CLP लीडर
हमारी वजह से लाठीचार्ज
यस 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 नको नको हाव करता हँडल डोंट वरी
अंदर हम लोगों को
नको हाव करता हँडल तू नका करता
वो रिलीज होने हैं पहले
They don't trust government.
I'll call him here.
सर
So release them and let's then have a discussion on whatever points.
The leaders have not done any crime. They are not creating any problem. I had come. Crime. Who are doing
That's not a murder that has been done, that they have been arrested.
See, I had come in the evening. I addressed them. I told the chief minister also. I called the chief minister. I said, please don't make it a prestige. They are all ladies. They are all our people. Come and with them and sort it out. That's what I had told him that time.
This is what
They
I am
were here that time. Those fellows, all these people.
सोसायटी
Rodekar and all, they were all here. They are here. They are trying to help them and all.
Chief Minister is present, sir. He is ready to talk. I am requesting some representatives
No,
to
they are
come forward.
hurt because they have been arrested. That is
That they can talk to Chief Minister also. It's just the start of discussion. We will take it forward. We'll take it forward. Please come and talk. Solution can also be found only when people talk.
Get an advocate here, sir.
And here Chief Minister is also
उसने ऐसा
ready to
कौन
talk.
सा गुनाह किया था उसको लेके गए सर
सर मार के लेके गए हैं सर
उसको क्यों मारा
सर मारा
पहले बोला उसने कौन सा गुनाह किया था
मारले त्यांका सर बऱ्याच मारून मारून आला त्यांना
हाँ टीचर को भी मारा सर हॉस्पिटल में
बऱ्याच मारले त्यांका
वो खींच के उसको ले
अशे ओपन आला अशे तू किती करता रे
सर सभी वर्कर के सामने उसको खींच कर ले गए क्योंकि वो हमको सपोर्ट कर रहे थे इसीलिए उसको लेकर गए वो यहाँ से
So what is the reason our advocate can't be here, sir? Is there any reason?
उसकी शर्ट को हाथ डाला उसको इतना मारा
Let us know the reason, sir. Why our advocate cannot be here? For what reason, sir? For what crime?
खाली उसने हमको हेल्प किया और
Just
कुछ
want
नहीं
to know the reason, sir. What is the crime? Has he hit anybody here? Like your policeman?
सर आमचे डिमांड पास जायना आणि आमकां न्याय मेळना म्हणून आम्ही त्यांना सगळे बाईने म्हणून एडवायझर काढलेलो ताका लागून आमकां तरी सपोर्ट केलो आणि आज आमकां सपोर्ट करपा लागून सगळे बायलांक घेऊन तो हांगा येयलो ताका लागून ताका लाठी चार्ज करून गव्हर्नमेंटान व्हरून जेली धापटिलो म्हणटकूच सगळ्यात पयलीं आमचो सगळो बाईचो डिमांड आसा की आमच्या एडवोकेटाक पयलीं हांगा हाडचो त्याच्या उपरांत आमी उलयतली सरकारा
Why
हाँ।
he cannot be here?
Not comment on that, but let's start the discussion. Chief Minister is here.
Release them first.
ते ताका सर सांगता कित्याक म्हणटा की जोपर्यंत ताका हांगा हाडिना तोपर्यंत आमी टॉप करिना
Give us the reason why they cannot be here.
उसने क्या गुनाह किया था सर
Sir, excuse me. It is like a person who can put their point properly. You are taking it off them off and telling some people who don't know properly to talk, and you want to overpower them.
You are
It is
not understanding what I am saying.
No, sir.
I am asking.
It is like that only.
Understand then, please think.
Yeah.
I am saying you start discussion now.
Yeah,
I am not saying that this is one time.
he's not.
But why can't the discussion start with the representative only? Our question is that. Why can't the discussion start with the representative only? It is directly known that you are taking off the representative who can put their points properly in front of you, and you are calling up the people who really don't they will not be able to put the points.
I understand what you are trying to
Yeah.
say. Now you understand what I am trying to say. Those who are present, let them put their demand. I am not saying that based on that only decision will be taken. Tomorrow morning, let others.
You are doing first of all, sir, you are doing injustice by You actually every person have the right to put their point properly, and you are just taking off, and that also in a wrong means.
Sir,
In
we
wrong
just
means you are
want to
beating
know
that
the
person.
reason why
You are
they
taking,
cannot be
you are
heard.
dragging that person to the police station, and
Just
now
let
you
us
are
know the
saying
reason.
you come and talk. What is this, sir? This is highly injustice.
The
This is
person
highly
who can
injustice.
put forward the terms properly, you are not
You are
allowing him
just
to come
dragging
here,
him.
sir.
As per this thing, you are beating him, dragging him, and taking him to the police station. And now you are saying, you people come and talk. What is this? This is rubbish, I think so.
You're not understanding. I'm saying
We are
this
not
is
understanding. This is a
Just
clear
give us a
English I am
all
speaking.
advisors, lawyers can join tomorrow morning.
No,
when
sir.
Release them personally, no.
Let
Release
them
them now
personally
only.
release them.
Because I don't think there is any purpose to put him behind the bar. What he has done?
you start talking.
What he has done? He
Start talking.
has enforced himself to go to the in the CM's residence. That he has done, or he has thrown the stone on the residence of this thing. What he has done? Tell me the reason why he is arrested.
Are you looking for a solution?
No. Tell me the reason why he is arrested. Then we will think about rest of the things.
Sir, and
First,
reason
tell me
why
the
he
reason.
cannot be
Why?
here. There is no such
Let
reason,
him
no.
first tell what is the reason for his arrest.
And if he is arrested, why
Why
he
he is
can't
arrested?
be here now? For
Tell
what
me the reason, no.
You are stopping others also.
No,
to
sir.
put
No.
no,
Sir, I am directly putting a valuable point. I am not stopping. I don't want any mess. I am just trying to help everybody. I am not messing up with anything.
I'm saying in
This
the
is
morning
simple
again there can
simple
be
language I am carrying on. Simple message.
of the thing. Please, right? I mean, all of us are standing here. Chief Minister is also here.
Sir, reason?
In the morning, another round of discussion can take place.
Sir,
Could have come and met them, and this issue would have not reached at this stage.
No, sir. But excuse me, sir. But sir, why he should not be released, and why he should not start the talk with you? What is the
You
reason?
are delaying the
No,
sir,
you are not answering me
sir.
properly.
You are not answering. Sir, what, sir? There are two questions, sir.
I'm being
Simple
straightforward.
questions, sir.
I am also being straightforward. My questions are simple. Anybody can know. Those who don't know English also, they will know my questions. But you are not trying to understand.
You are not giving any answer.
No.
Sir, we are not
I am
ready,
not any
sir.
political leader to
Without
this
our
thing.
representative.
I am a common person.
understand, help them.
Yes, sir.
All
So
of them
please
are my
let us
sisters,
know.
and all of them are my sisters. Okay, and I am just asking a question which is running in my mind: why he is arrested and why he can't be released right now.
Why cannot we start the talk with our advocate?
Simple thing.
Is a question, sir.
Only
Please
thing
answer
only
to
know
that.
if you really want to solve the solution, solve the
Two of
problem.
you are delaying their
No,
solution.
no,
Let them
sir.
talk. Let
No,
them
sir.
We are
no.
not the
We
leaders
are
of
not
anybody.
ready to talk without our
These questions
representative,
are
sir.
very much running in all Goan's mind.
Are you all ready
you
to
put the
talk?
video.
No, sir. We are not ready. Please get our advocate here, sir.
Yes, of course. Release him, no. Release him, bring him, and start the talk. Start the talk. Whatever you want to say, let him hear. And khalas, no. It is a so simple thing. You are making a mess of it.
I'm standing here saying he's waiting to talk.
You are making a mess of it. A simple thing.
Sir, you are getting it delayed, sir.
We are not delaying.
We are not delaying. We want an advocate with us.
दोन सिंपल क्वेश्चन आहे आन्सर करपाक जाय ना ते सॉल्व करतले
इश्यू सॉल्व करता स्टेट चलयतले
एक तरी कित्याक तेका अरेस्ट केलो कित्याक तेका रिलीज करूंक शकना
तेचो सांगले कळना
रिलीज हिम नो सर अरेस्ट केला तर आन्सर दिना
Sir, one more thing. A point on humanity. Why the ladies were lathi charged, sir? As a public, as a citizens of Goa, and you are the servant of us, you have to answer me now. I am not an Anganwadi, but I am questioning you because I am the proud citizen of Goa. Tell me, why the citizen of why you lathi charge the woman? You are government is talking big thing about woman, and why you are lathi charging them? Tell me the answer. You want to arrest me? Don't worry. I am here. I am here. I am here.
They have pushed them.
मुझे अंदर डाल के मारो, no problem.
लाठी चार्ज तो दूर की बात है
समझ में आया ना?
सर, हाथ लगाया औरतों को यहाँ
But
पे।
you have to answer these 3 questions. Sir, 3 questions are in front of you. First, why he was arrested, why he can't be released, and why you lathi charge the woman. What they had done.
आमच्या सगळ्यांचे ते आहे असा प्रश्न.
Tell me 3 questions. Then I promise you, I will talk to them to talk to you. चलो. I promise you. हांव हांकां कोणाक वळखना, कोंकणीनूच उलयता, पूण तरी सुद्दां त्यांच्या भशेन हांव तुमकां प्रॉमिस करता. आय प्रॉमिसिंग यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ देम. आय डोंट नो देम, बट दे आर माय गोवन सिस्टर्स. If you give me the answer of 3 questions, I promise you, I will convince them to talk to you.
Sir, the
Simple
delay
question, simple
can
question.
be avoided, sir, just by releasing their representative.
Class one questions these are.
आता तो चुकता की सांगता.
झाले क्वेश्चन झाले.
त्यात वासा दुर्गादास असा जाना
काय ना
ते बाई हे सर ती माय हे करतली
पहिली आमकां आपयता आमी मेळोन येयला आमीच फक्त तुमी म्हणटा ते आं आमी
आमचे ऍडवायझर
सर पण शुअर करा की आज ते रिलीज जातले सर.
आमी आमचे कंडिशनच ते आसले तांकां रिलीज
आणि फुडले डिस्कशन सर तांचे ऍडवायझरा बरोबरूच जावचे सर. आणि सर
आयजूच ते आमी
सर हे जे मारला आणि हात लायला पयली बायलांक दुखून जळला अपॉलॉजी मागपाक जाय अपॉलॉजी जाय
वाड्या म्हणून येयल्ले सरकाराकडे पण आमची लाठी चार्ज केला आणि आम्ही सॉरी सांगता आम्ही असले कोण अशें
सर पण ते रिलीज जातले अशें पळया
आमचे आम्ही पोलीस घेतली नाही करून आले आम्ही
आमच्या सर येयल्याशिवाय आमी वयचीच ना.
कशीच वचपाना आम्ही वचपाना 7 दीस काडले आनी
मीडिया जाळ म्हणला
समकार असे करणार का पण तू फोनावर त्यांच्याकडे उरलेला तो फोन
काय देणार आहे काय टक्कर रे चल रे कोण कोण कोण
पुरो पुरो
बरोबर आहे
समीर फोटो काढ रे
ऐसे लाय रे फॅन लाय
कौशल दुसरा फोन कोणी दुसरा फोन लाईक गोवा न्यूज लाईक तुझ्या फोन
लाईव्ह कोण कोण आहे
रे असू रे तुझी
Hello, nice to meet you, Dr. Prabodh Sawant. We are meeting first time. Welcome, CM residence. ओके एनीहाव गिरीश हांवें तांकांय सांगलां न्ही हांवें जर तुज्या म्हायती खातीर कळपाक जाय सांगता हांवें डायरेक्टरान एका फोन हाडली आनी म्हाका कांयच मॅटर खबर ना म्हज्या ऑफिसांत सिंगल लेटर ना ताज्या रिलेटेड म्हाका दिवं ना तांच्यांनी हांवें सगळी फायल इन्क्वायरी केली हें सगळें म्हाका कळ्ळ्या उपरांत हांवें तांकां 4 निरोप दिलो की तुमी उलोवपाक खंय येया म्हणून पयलीं म्हणलें 4 जाणां येना 10 जाणां येता म्हणजे 10 जाणां येया ताका सांगलें की 10 जाणांक 4 सांगलें ना तुम्ही हांव सेक्रेटरीएटान वचा तेजेर डिस्कशन करूया सोडुया म्हणून हांवें तेंचे डायरेक्टराक आपयली डायरेक्टर डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ती घेवन येयली तिणी म्हाका दाखयलें तेंच्यांनी 7 कितें तरी लेटर दिलें ओके बट म्हणाली मुळात तें एसोसिएशन वेगळें एसोसिएशन तांचें ओरिजिनल जें एसोसिएशन आसा ती 6-7 जाणां आयलीं तांच्यांनी डिस्कशन सुरू जालें बट ते वेगळो विशय हांवें म्हटलें तरी सुद्दां तुमी जर दिला आसा तुमी म्हटलें धाडपाक जाय आसलें ना म्हणल्यार आमी ताका करस्पॉन्डन्स केला की तुमी अकॉर्डिंग टू तुजे स्किमीच्या अनुसार आमी कितें पेमेंट वाडयल्या ऑलरेडी कितें वाडयला तोय तांकां सांगलो ओके आनी तांकां फुडां नाका पे केला त्या प्रमाणे तांच्यांनी म्हणलो अचानक स्ट्रायक केलो मागीर म्हाका तेजें जें ओरिजिनल युनियन आसा तें ओरिजिनल युनियन म्हाका मेळ्ळें पयलें तेंच्यांनी म्हटलें की धन्यवाद तुमी आमी जें सांगल्या तें सगळे डिमांड तुमी फुलफील केले म्हणून तेंचो ऑनरेरियम फ्रॉम 7,300 टू 10,000 केलो इनिशियली स्टार्टिंगाचेर जॉईन जाता थंयसर कारण गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाच्या स्किमीनुसार
मातसो डिस्टर्ब करूं एक म्हणजे कितें जाता ते सारके डेडलॉक जाल्ले आसा कारण तांकां जो एडवोकेट आसा तांकां गायड करता ताका अरेस्ट करून पेंडींग दवरता सो ते सामके चड समज जाल्यार ताका अरेस्ट करता आतां आमचे वरद तुमचो वरद केला जना केला तांकां लाठीचार्ज केले ते फक्त तांकां कितें घेवन तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करताले जस्ट भायलो आसा 2-3 दीस तांकां जेवण बी दिवपाक बाकी काय त्यांनी लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम करू ना काय हे केलं ना तर त्यांना अरेस्ट करून वेल्या पेंड नाही वेल्या त्यांनी ते रिक्वेस्ट करता त्यांना परवरी करून लागली सपोज हांगा तर तुमकां जर हें जालें इशू खबर करपाक दिता सो तो इमिजिएटली पयलीं ते तांकां
बेस्ट वे माझ्या म्हणजे हांवें तांकां पळय चारांक उलोवपाक आपयली चारांक उलोवंक येया म्हणून सांगली एक सुद्दां इशू तेंचो जो पळय न्ही रिजॉल्व जायना 3 लाखाचे ही 5 लाख दिले 1.5 लाखाचे ही 3 लाख
तांकां पयलीं
मुळात सांगता त्यांचे एसोसिएशन जे आहा पळय न्ही तुमकांय खबर आसा त्यांची ती पोल्ट्री एक्ट युनियन किती सायन करून दिला तसो युनियन बी असो प्रकारच ना तेचो लिडर आसपा खातीर एडवायस म्हाका सांग त्यांचे जर त्यांचे उलोवपा खातीर हांवें आपयलें तांकां वॉटेवर द थिंग तुमकां हांवें फोन करून तेन्नाच सांगला तांकां धाडून दी म्हणून तांकां तुमी घेवन येया म्हणून म्हाका कांयच नासलें तुमी हाज्याय पयलीं फ्रिडम फायटरांचो इशू तुमी घेवन आयल्या हांव तेंच्या कडेन उलयना सगळो इशू सुटलो तुमकां खबर आसा 110 लोक उरल्या फक्त तुमी सुद्दां घेवन येयले जाल्यार बरें जातलें
भायल्यान तेन्ना आसलें काल सकाळीं उठले पयलीं की अजून घर गेलें ना
खरें तांकां बसपाची गरज नासली म्हाका कित्याक बसल्या ती कळना डिमांड कितें हेच म्हाका कळना ताका हॉनरेरियम इज वन ऑफ द हायेस्ट हॉनरेरियम ऐका हांव परत एकदां सांगता तांकां आफोया तांच्या कडेन उलोवया तुमी आफोया तांकां भायर विशय म्हाका वॉटेवर तें एक्शन तांकां
There was no need for the police to lathi charge. Have they done any illegal release there?
नोरे आता रिलीज केल्या पण विषय सॉल्व आणि काही आंदोलन करताना बरं रिलीज करपा लायता आंदोलन काय सोपले हो बता रे टेबलो जाऊन
ना ना अवकाश म्हणतो बा त्यांना रिलीज करून भेटा
म्हाका पळय हांव या ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू द ऑपोजिशन लिडर माझी हांवें ताका एका फोनार सांगला तुमी घेवन या तांकां हांव तुमच्या कडेन उलोवपाक तयार आहा पण कोर्ट रिकॉग्नायज युनियन हांव खंयच्या विशयाचेर उलयतलो तांच्या वांगडा हांव उलोवंक शकना रे त्यांचे ऑफिशियल एसोसिएशन माझ्या कडेन येवन मेळोन गेले तांच्यांनी प्रेस बायट दिल्या आमचे सगळे विषय फुलफील जाले म्हणून हे हांव सांगना तीच सांगता बाबा आयक केलो ऑल टुगेदर अंगणवाडी वर्कर्स 1700 कितें तरी आसा 1700 भितरले आतां म्हाका दिसता 200 कितें तरी हांगा आसा म्हणजे 1500 जाणांचो विशय सॉल्व जाल्लो आहा
आम्ही घेतले 1000
म्हाका म्हणजे डायरेक्टरान सांगला ते हांव सांगता
आम्ही 2-3 दिसांनी आम्ही
बरें म्हणजे तुमी ताका सांगता आसल्या मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन या म्हणून विशय सुट्टलो नासलो अरे डेमोक्रेटीक सेटअपाचो कितें ताका घेतले तुमी पयलो विशय सुटलो खरें म्हणजे डायरेक्टर कित्याक वचूंक ना म्हाकाय खबर
Somebody, some representative of the government should have gone there, went there, discussed it there, and then it would have been much more
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आशिल्ली मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या घरा फुडें बसच्या पयलीं एका मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळोंक जाय आसलें कोण तरी निदान एक कागद तरी इनवॉल्व करपाक जाय आसलो म्हाज्या ऑफिसाक विदाउट इनवॉल्व डुईंग टू माय ऑफिस
तुम्ही पयलीं कितले आंदोलन करताले आमचे मुख्यमंत्री
हांवूय मेळ्ळो तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केली हांवें तांकां सांगलें हांवें उलोवपाक तयार
काम करता तांकां रिलीज कर
हांव येवचो ना आमच्या मतदारसंघाचे 80,000 आयला तुजी म्हणजे म्हाका मतदारसंघ तेंका ते म्हाका म्हणटा आमच्या मतदारसंघाचो सीएम आमच्या एका जाल्यार बागेंटे वयल्या आयकलो का म्हाका विचारता ती म्हाका न्ही आपूण हाडटा घरा कडल्यान रिलीज तेंका
त्यांचो रिलीज चुकी वयता आसत तर आतां सांगता चला घरा हांव रिलीज करता मागीर फाल्यां उलया तुमचो जर एकूच डिमांड आसा तांकां रिलीज कर म्हणून ती घरा वयता हांव आतां सांगता रिलीज कर घरा चला म्हणून फाल्यां मागीर उलया
आणि त्यांचो अरेस्ट पुलिसांक विचार बाबा त्यांचो गुन्हो कितें आशिल्लो
आय डोंट नो कलेक्टर
चेक युअर होम मिनिस्टर
हांवें सांगला डिटेल रिपोर्ट दी म्हणून हांवें दोनूय रिपोर्ट
हांव एक वर्स मान आसलो दे आर बिहेवियर दे वर नॉट इन्वॉल्विंग इन एनीथिंग दे वर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग
तेणे कितें सेक्शन लायला ते म्हाका
वॉटर बॉटल्स आनी कितें तांकां प्रोवाइड करता
तेणे सेक्शन लायला उसको रिपोर्ट दिलो उसको
वॉटर बॉटल्स एंड दे वर गिविंग द फूड पॅकेज तू उपाशी आशिल्ली तेका जेवण प्रोवाइड केलें
जेवण पुढे काढून
पुलिसांनी जेवण
जेवण पुलीस कित्याक भायर उडयताले
You come there and see for yourself. It's there, like on the road.
अरे जेवण भायर उडयला रे
ते जेवण पडला ते तुका जर तेणी लोकांनी थोडे
लायव्ह होतं तेन्ना तुका सगळें कळटलें कितें इंटरव्यू
सगळे व्हिडिओ अवेलेबल आसा
सगळे व्हिडिओ लायव्ह आसा
कशें रिझॉल्व कशें करता
तुम्ही सांगता तशें करता
तांकां पयलीं हें कर
हांव तांकां वयर आपण उलोवपाक सुरू करता तुमी सांगता तशें करता
पुलिसांक विचारलें करेक्टर बाबा तेंची कितें तरी गुन्हे आसपाक जाय आशिल्ले तांकां हेल्प करता
माझं कांयच ना म्हणणं नाही
रिलीज करीत न्हू ती म्हणटा आमी उलयतात तो येवचो ना
आयक माझें म्हणणें हांव रिलीज करून तांकां घरा वचो न्ही हांव तांकां रिलीज करता तांकांय घरा वचो न्ही फाल्यां उलया आतां कशें एक तर तांकां रिलीज करूया हांकां घरा वचो न्ही फाल्यां सकाळीं तेंची 10 जाणां येवन डिस्कशन करून करूया हो काय एका दिसा विशय उरपाचो न्ही आतां म्हाका डायरेक्टरी गेली ती मरे तिका प्रेशर बिशर वाडला तिचो तिका प्रेशर तपासून हाडलेली बरी हो उदर भियाताली ती सामकी ती बावडी पयलीं घे प्रेशराची मनीस आहा ती इस्पावर वाडयलें तुमचो प्रेशर हांवें वाडयलें तुमी वाडयलो प्रेशर
आमी न्हू ती म्हणटा सीएमान आपलो वाडयलो म्हणजे सीएमान आपलें ना दाखयता आपलें जावंकूच ना दाखयता
अरे खरो फॅक्ट आहा तो हांवें सांगलो न्ही तांकां तूं आलवडीचो ऑपरेशन खरो आहा तो सांगता इट इज फॅक्ट न्ही म्हाका जर ते फॉरवर्ड केलें जाल्यार हांव कितें तरी विचार करतलो म्हाकाय पळय हांव तुका सांगना 27/11 सायन मारलें हांवें फॉर ऑनररी इन्क्रिमेंट आनी ती फायल फायनान्सांतल्यान ऑलरेडी घेतलो तो हें वाडटा पेन्शन हें वाडटा पळय न्ही रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट्स ती फायनान्सांतल्यान फायल म्हजे कडेन सायन मारलेली
करेक्टर साहब कैसे करेंगे
सर मेरा तो यही सजेशन रहेगा अभी वो उनके जो 2-3
किलो काढपाला
वो सामने रखे उनके जो भी डिमांडें रखें सीएम सर हैं यहाँ पे खुद ही प्रोजेक्ट है और जो रिटर्न में है कि जो अभी जिनको अरेस्ट किया उनको रिलीज करना है वो रात में रिलीज भी हो जाएंगे इन द मॉर्निंग देयर कैन बी सेकंड राउंड ऑफ डिस्कशन बट अभी रात का जो स्टेलमेंट है उसको तो ब्रेक करें बिकॉज दीज आर लेडीज आल्सो दे हैव देयर ओन फैमिलीज दे आल्सो नीड टू गो होम सर तो वी शुड बी
दिस इज अ रियलिटी दे आर आउट ऑफ देयर हाउस दे आर नॉट गॉन बैक
वो तो सर भी कह रहे थे कि डायरेक्टर शुड हैव attended, director should have listened to that. But sir, we cannot go back in past. Right now we are sitting here, so let's move
and the lathi charge could have been avoided now even
sir, I mean I'll take
handling ladies also,
but as far as I have been told there was no lathi charge. Yes, at the till 10 they were waited, they were asking them to go back, and in the end when situation was getting out of control and some leaders were apprehended and they were taken to police station. There was no lathi charge.
Out of control, there was nothing out of control, very peacefully. There was no out of control.
No, they were there.
I was there sitting there. There was no situation that could warrant that statement that it is out of control.
Take call depending upon the situation.
Nothing was out of people.
Some people just want to impress the chief minister.
शांतता probably you are editing the you are like
should not be sitting close. This is the that is it is what interview वाढेला त्याने की त्यांची स्कीम आहे
नाही या तुझ्या बरोबर मागे समजा असं म्हणतो की आता यू ट्राय टू डू अरे सोडून द्या की त्यांका सोड आम्ही माहिती तुझ्या
आज सुट्टा आम्हाला सांगले त्यांना चला म्हणून घरात आज सुट्टा नाही का आताच होते पण त्यांना जर घरात आला म्हणून सांग आज त्यांना सुट्टा सोडपाक लायता समजत घरात जाता काहीच चल आता तुम्हीच सांगता तांकां सोडून हांव सोडटा तांकां घरा वचून मला डिस्कशन सुरू करूया अपोजिशन लिडराक इंटरव्यू करूं काय हरकत ना म्हाका अपोजिशन लिडर शूड टेक इनिशिएटिव्ह वी विल रिजॉल्व इट हांव केन्ना इगो घेवन बसोंकूच ना लोकां खातीर केन्ना आज पर्यंत येतात म्हणल्या तुझ्या वायट माझ्या त्याचे वायटपण ना केन्ना
वायटपण मतदारसंघाचे लोक आसा आमच्या आतां मतदारसंघाचे लोक जर आसा ती म्हणटा की सीएम आपल्या पयलीं लिगो घुमवता आमचो अशें ती म्हणटा
कशें म्हणटालो ताका वाडयलें तें खबर नासतना तरी पयली
Collector, give some solution, we'll resolve this.
I think if you order the release of those fellows, these ladies will come down. They are most agitated with that.
They are very agitated.
Sir has already agreed for this, so
They are agitated because what happened, they were looking after them, those men. They were
Fine, sir.
providing them some water.
understood.
some
Sir has
food.
agreed for
So
this.
you
This we can
take
now
them away.
let
and
them
that
come
also in
for
the most
discussion for
deplorable
2 minutes.
and-
Then let
नहीं
them go.
मैंने उनको कहा इनको आज घर जाने दो उनको भी रिलीज करेंगे आपको कब्जा नहीं मिला आज इशू रिजॉल्व हो गया कल
हम किसी
अपोजिशन
coordinate को भी आना है।
लीडर विल इंटरवीन एंड स्टार्ट द
ठीक है सर, you can call the main
मैंने कुछ
representatives.
भी नहीं मैंने
You
जो
come
वो
with them.
बोलते हैं वही हाँ बोला
ठीक है सर, वैसा ही
उनकी भी डिमांड हाँ तुम्ही एग्री कर पाहिजे त्यांना तुमचा ऐका आता ताळी म्हणून मानला त्यांनी तुम्ही काय केलं अहो नको ताळी म्हणल्यावर बरं ऐकून तुम्ही तुमच्या ऐकतले ती
If both of you address them together, things will get resolved.
आय एम रेडी
That will be better, sir. So already almost 130 ladies, especially for them, it's a difficult. You can keep sitting till morning also, but it will not be good for the state.
Which will affect CM of tomorrow is one day campaign.
It's about whole state, not about the CM or one person.
काळजी करू नका
Let us go together and.
हा आता तरी एक जाऊया बरोबर आहे ना.
Big senior.
दो फोटो लेना
अरे एकाने
I think their mobile is also taken.
Okay, those who.
Why do you have to take to
फोटो
pending? आमच्या सगळ्यांना अरेस्ट करताना मी बरोबर आहे सगळ्या आम्ही
मी बोलायला
पर्सनल बंगल्याचे तुम्ही त्यांना त्रास केला आस्किम दिला प्रोटेस्ट करेक्ट
एनी हाव रिझॉल्व करूया सांगता फाल्यां सकाळी ते 4 जणांना घेऊन
रिझॉल्व करपा तुमच्या
हांव आत्ता रिझॉल्व करता सांगले
मी पहिले तेन्ना रिलीज करेन मोबाईल
आपण ते 4 जणांक वयर आपण उलयता हांव सोंपता सांगता रे कित्याक तुझे म्हाका
वहाँ से
उडयता बरें ते कशें जातलें म्हाका एक सांग विषय तो परत हांगा आमी डिस्कशन रातभर चालू करतले मरे अरे म्हाका एक सांग हे डिस्कशन सगळें करपा खातीर आतां तो सेक्रेटरी डायरेक्टर परत ताका कितें दिला तेजे बोर्ड युनियन सगळ्यांक कसो विशय रिजॉल्व करता सांगलें न्ही तुका म्हाका एक दीस एक सिंगल निवेदन जे दिता पळय न्हू तें म्हाज्या ऑफिसान ना
ती म्हणटा 7 दीस जाले आमी म्हणटा जगदेजा राजा कोण एक वयचो सीएम म्हणटा आमी 7 दीस म्हणटा ते मध्येच्या सीएमान दवरना आमी कित्याक बसली ती कितें म्हणटा
Nobody visited them.
म्हणजे 7 दीस म्हणटा असं कित्याक म्हणटा तो 7 दीस
फोन
ना फोन ते काढून
साईडच्या
ए लाइव ना बंद कर. बंद कर. कैमरा बंद कर.